Sorry it's taken me so long to get back to a video, but been a rough couple of months, both health-wise and just things on the farm-wise. I've been getting a lot of work done that really wasn't worthy of video, so I didn't make any videos. But we are going to be setting up a really big teepee today. This is a 26-foot diameter teepee, so it's massive. The sandy place you see behind me here is actually where it's going to go. The sands will all be inside of it. And then over this way, whoops, this way. Over here, we have our poles. You can see that. I can't see the screen well enough to tell you if you can see or not. But yeah, we got our poles over here. And we're getting ready to start laying this all out and standing it up. I'm not going to be doing this as a how-to video. I will send a link of the how-to part to the company that we bought the teepee from, and we'll get it. I'll get that linked down in the description so you can find it. Other than that, we're getting ready to get going. So next time we come back on, we'll be starting to lay out everything and get it tied together and stand up the tripod and go from there. Anyway, guys. Here we go. No, the last one's sitting good.
Oh, okay. Yay! It's working! Okay. You'll need a pair of gloves, but yes.
Wait, can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah, if you swing too hard, you'll knock it over.
I'm not going to swing hard.
Yeah, just try to
climb up and touch the top.
See?
Oh, yeah, I'll try that.
Yeah. Hook it up.
All right.
You gotta pull harder.
You don't play? No, I don't.
It's weight. Hand over hand. Hand over hand. Get it up.
Forget the feet.
You can do it,
It's a lot
Cody.
more slippery than you think.
Let Cody give it a go.
You want gloves?
Yeah, he's gonna want gloves. It'll leave splinters in his hands if he doesn't use gloves. No, it won't. Just don't swing.
Well, that's experiment.
If you're just going straight up, it's actually extremely sturdy. There's a whole YouTube video on it I watched.
We'll swing you once you get up.
Just don't swing around.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
Oh my God! That's...
Right? Okay.
That's so counterintuitive.
Alright, we cannot walk it up.
I'm really hoping this goes well.
finally. I wore the hell out, I'll tell you that. This thing is massive. I'll take you inside here in a minute. But there's our smoke holes on the back. And the smoke flaps open. Nice little design. We opted to use the twist-in dog stakes, as you saw earlier, instead of the plastic stakes that came with it. These just have a whole lot more grab, and since this thing's going to be up for very long periods of time to be rented here on the campground, then I decided to go with the dog stakes. Now we just have to wait until it gets wet and see if they pull out. But, oh, this thing is massive. I have never put up a teepee before. I studied the video on this company's website a lot. And then here's two of my helpers, Joe and John. And, but yeah, this is the inside, and it is freaking massive. I tell you guys, I can hardly wait to have a drum circle in here, right? Now I do have to figure out how to get the mosquito netting across the smoke hole, which I'm a little leery of because that's taller than I can reach with my 10-foot step ladder. In fact, to the very peak up there is probably very close to 23 feet. And then it's about 25, 26 feet across. I think it's 26 from the back here up to the door. And then I think it's 23 going across, 23 or 24 going across. It is big. I think we figured it at just around almost 600 square feet in here. So, yeah, we ought to be able to do a drum circle in here. But the next big project will be a rocket mass heater in here, and I still have to line out how I want to do that. So, that will be in later videos, though. Anyway, well, guys, thanks for watching. And I'm going to get the door on this thing, and it will be in future videos, so you'll see it again. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.